Hello students, and welcome to Mrs. Allender's class. The point of this video today is to go over some basic course expectations, logging into the SIS and getting started, tutoring that I will be offering you, concept coaches, and staying on pace by using your assignment calendar. So some basic course expectations. I need you to be checking and responding to teacher messages each day, Monday through Friday. Check your assignment calendar each day for each class. Reach out to me for help when needed. I'm here to help you, but sometimes I'm going to need you to tell me what you need. Do at least 1 hour of work each day for each class. So that's approximately 5 hours total each week for each of your classes, but that's an approximate number. You may need a little bit more, you may need a little bit less. When you're logging in and getting started, this is the screen you're going to see, and at the top is the link that you're going to use. And you've already been provided with your username and password. If you lost it or forgot it for some reason, just reach out to me and I can give that to you. When you're looking at your SIS student view, when you first log in, you're going to see your academic snapshot with your courses, your current grade, your percent complete, and if your pacing is ahead or behind or on target. You'll see your activity, which will tell you over here with the list of your classes, when was the last time you logged in and for how many minutes you were logged in. On the bottom here is your messages tab. This is extremely important that you're checking this every single day. All of your teachers are going to be sending you very important messages here, including your progress, tips to do better in the class, bonus projects, things like that. So please make sure you're checking that every day. Then when you're getting into your courses, you're going to get into a program what's called the LMS. And when you look into screen, you're going to see your list of your classes on the left. And for this class, for example, I want you to know that this student is behind. So they've completed 77.1% of the course, but their target completion is 82.5%. So this student's behind. They're not very behind, only about 5%. This student can definitely get back on pace with doing just a couple extra assignments each day. But notice the red dots. That signifies that you are behind in the course. And then underneath that, it lists your overall grade and your actual grade. Notice that the actual grade is lower than the overall grade because your actual grade takes into account assignments that you are behind on. So for every assignment that you are behind on, you will receive a 0 for it. And that's what's incorporated into your actual grade. Your overall grade does not count these zeros for what you are behind on. So that's why this overall grade is higher than the actual grade. And then underneath that, notice it will show you what assignment you're on and what's your next activity. In this view, this student is on target. So you can see they have blue dots. And if you read, it says they've completed 82.2% of the course. And their target completion is 81.82. So they're almost right on target. They're doing really great. This is exactly what we want. And notice that the overall grade and the actual grade are the same value. They're going to be the same value if you're on target. And hopefully this is what you see through the semester. But I would like you all to have a higher grade than that. And this student is actually ahead of pace, which is even better. So you can see that they have green dots there. Their overall grade and actual grade are still the same value. Your overall grade can't actually, your actual grade can't actually be higher than your overall. So they're the same in this case. Now, if you see that you are struggling a little bit, there's some things you can do on your own. So first, you have to have the confidence to know that you can do it. You can do anything you want as long as you put your mind to it. So have that confidence in yourself. Then rewatch lessons. A huge advantage to going to school in a virtual environment is you can watch your lessons as many times as you want, which is great. Take notes, and at Edgenuity we call them e-notes. So you can take e-notes and redo review tests and review exams. The teacher will have to do that for you, which will be me, but it's much better to redo reviews a few times than redo a test. Plus, you can only take a test maybe one extra time, and a quiz one extra time. You're not going to be able to do that as many times as you would like. Do extra assignments each day if you're behind. You're going to have to put yourself on a schedule. So we give one for you, but if you're getting behind, you're going to have to add a couple more things to that schedule. And if you're having trouble with a certain topic, go on the internet and search for it. You can find additional videos, articles, extra problems, etc. For math and science, I really recommend KhanAcademy.org, and I am definitely a resource for you, and I can provide a lot of extra videos for you as well. Tutoring. Tutoring is something that I will do for you. At this point, if any of you need a tutoring appointment, just email me or call me and we will set up an appointment. It occurs on a program called Blackboard, and on this program we use a whiteboard, we chat, we use speakers, we can use a webcam if you would like. So there's a lot of great functionality to this. This is what the screen looks like. You can see it is kind of made up an equation on there, and on the left is where we chat, and I can give you all lots of privileges where I can let you write on the screen and things like that. So it's a really great program. You can find the link to that in my welcome email, in any of my emails that I send out to you, and you can also find it in my SIS profile. Concept coaches are on-demand tutors. You can access them almost anytime you want to, except for on Sunday. So they're available Monday through Saturday, 7 a.m. to 11 p.m. And when you log into your course, if you look in the top right-hand corner, you're going to click the button that says Student Support. And on there, you can ask them any content-related question. But they can't do things like unlock exams or give you extra retakes on quizzes. They can only simply answer content-related questions. So I am very happy to have you in my class. You will be hearing from me very soon, at least once a week, and I hope to be hearing from you as well. Good luck this semester.